Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily change the camera angle on any photo using Google Gemini Nano Banana. This new feature will let you turn from your photo instantly just by writing a simple prompt. So let's get started. First, just open your Gemini. You can open it through your browser or to the app like this. And then next, just log in using your Google account. And after that, simply tap on create image to activate the Nano Banana. Or you can also activate it by tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is just same ways. And then now just upload the photo that you want to edit. It can be a portrait, a product shot, or maybe a full body picture or even a selfie. Just upload anything that you want. And to upload it, just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. And then next, here's come the fun part. Let's writing the prompt. For example, I already prepared or wrote a prompt like this. You can simply copy this prompt or feel free if you want to adjust it depending on what you want. Like if you only want a specific angle, just mention it clearly in your prompt. Just feel free to experiment and adjust the wording based on your styles. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then I will go back to Gemini, paste the prompt and then generate. Okay, like this, and just like that, your photo now has a completely new angle perspective. It's really cool, even though it has a result that looks a little bit weird like this. But I think the overall the result it still looks cool. It looks so incredible. It's cool to see how the exact same image can look totally different just by changing the angle. And okay, maybe that's it. That's how you can change camera angles on any photo using Google Gemini's Nano Banana. It's super simple, super fast, and honestly, it's really fun to play around with. And okay, if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.